taking a walk through the trees. I enjoy this Florida. The sun is shining. It's just a perfect day. It's just no wind, no breeze. Just wonderful. I love the Spanish moss. Love the stillness, the peacefulness of the air. Enjoy the walk in nature. It's I don't know. It just goes into my spirit and just feeds me, fills me up. Love it. Enjoy it. White sand, Spanish moss on the trees. There's a group that's doing practice shooting. Hear that in the background. So peaceful. I could do this every single day. Love walking in nature. Love the experience. Love the feel of it.